Welcome back to another GWL game. This is the last regular season game, and they're going to playoffs. This is going to be the Lightning versus the Sharks today. I got Andre filling in for Jackson. There's him in the background. And you got Aiden and Riken today. Riken, I think it will be starting on the mound, and Andre will be starting on the mound for Lightning. Should be a good game, and then after this, we'll be going on the playoffs. Here we go. Let's go.
Fair. Hey.
Oh, that is fair. He's safe, and Riken is sitting at third. Already got the save. Alright. You need a picture. MTCB.
Oh no!
Toss. You went.
Where? Wait.
It's like MTCB. Things. Fair. It's like. Aiden, just throw it at the screen.
I got 155.
That was absolutely roped.
Alright, GG's, man. Nice playing with y'all.
You guys have played tomorrow.
No, you think. Wait. Strike three. If Lucas strikes him out, they're going on to the World Series. And he didn't do it. Count. If Lightning strike Aiden out, then they will be moving on to the World Series.
This bet will send us to the World Series.
Strike three! And the Lightning is going on to the World Series. So, I'm here with the captain of the Lightning. So, how do you feel about moving on to the World Series?
I feel good. We came back from a long deficit. We were down by like 3 or 4 games to the Wildcats. We came back, won a bunch of games in a row. That was a big blowout win for us. And yeah, it should be fun.